National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for eastern Boone County, northeastern DeKalb County, McHenry County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe squall line capable of producing rain-wrapped tornadoes in addition to widespread straight-line wind damage. These dangerous storms were located along the line extending from 7 miles northwest of Rockton to 6 miles southwest of Rockton to Rockford Airport to Stillman Valley, and moving east at 60 miles per hour. These storms will be near Capron around 7:10 p.m., Marengo and Harvard around 7:15 p.m., Woodstock around 7:20 p.m., Wonder Lake, Hebron, and Bull Valley around 7:25 p.m., Richmond, McHenry, McCollum Lake and Lakewood around 7:30 p.m., Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Union and Crystal Lake. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Boone, DeKalb, and McHenry.